Hey guys, welcome to another baby turban tutorial, and today we are making the one with the bow on the top. I already have my base done. This is what we call a turban base, and I already have a tutorial on my channel that shows how to make this base, the pattern, and different styles you can make the base, whatever one you want. So today we are only making the bow part that's right here. In order to make the bow part, you will need the bow itself and this stripe that connects the bow to the turban base. So first we are going to start by making our bow part, which is right here. You will need to cut two pieces that measure 5 inches from here to here and 3 inches from here to here. 5 by 3 inches. After you cut your pieces, what you're gonna do is as I said earlier, you will take the first piece and make sure the right side is facing up, and you're going to put this piece on top of it, but this time the wrong side is facing up. After you put these two pieces together, what you're going to do, you are going to go to your sewing machine and you're going to sew all around this bow. Do not stop, do not leave any space. We are going to use the cut method to turn it inside out. I already have my piece right here and I did sew all around. So what we're going to do now is we are going to take our piece of scissors and we are going to separate these two, and make sure you cut, do this, make a little fold so you can know where your half is right here, and pull these two separate. Take your piece of scissors and cut half an inch. This is our tiny cut that we just made, so we're going to use this to turn the bow inside out. And if it's too small, you can always increase the cut. Make sure you untuck the ends and get every angle. So our bow part is done. Don't worry about this space, it won't show once we do our hand stitch. The next thing, we are going to take a piece that we're going to use to connect this stripe right here, and you are going to take this piece and it measures again 5 inches by 2.5, 5 by 2.5 inches, and with this one you are going to fold it in half and make sure the wrong side is outside, because we're going to need to turn it inside out. So fold it in half, go to your sewing machine and sew from here to here. My piece is already done and I sewed from here to here using my sewing machine and using a straight stitch. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to open it up and turn it inside out. You might need a pen or something if it's too tiny for you. Just quickly turn it inside out. After you're done turning this inside out, this is how it looks. So you want to make sure this seam is in the middle, and now it's time to add our bow part to the main turban base, and this is the point where we turn to our hand needle. What you're gonna do is we are going to start by attaching this right here. you are going to take this, put it right here. This side is outside, put it right here, and so from here to here with our hand needle using a running stitch or a back stitch. After we are done sewing this part right here with our hand needle, what we're going to do is we're going to put this down for a minute and make our bow. So this is our bow right here, and this is the part that we cut earlier, right? Put this at the bottom, and what you're going to do is you're going to do this. Let me repeat myself. You are just going to pinch and do that. After you do that, you're going to take another needle and just sew this part together so the bow does not come apart. So our bow part is done. What we're going to do is we're going to go back and take this part, tuck our needle inside, and what we're going to do next is we're going to take our bow part, put it right here, then bring this all the way back to the inside. I'm going to repeat. We're going to take our bow part, put it right here, and bring it all the way back to the inside. And when we get here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this, and I am going to hand stitch from here all the way to here, so we can make sure our edges at the back are inside. As you know me, I like neat work and I don't like to leave these edges seen. So this is why we bring this all the way back here, give it a fold, then hand stitch all the way around from here, around here, and back to here. I have completed doing my hand stitch on the inside, and our work looks clean and neat. So the last part we are going to do is we're going to make sure this is in the middle, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hem this side with my hand needle again and this side, so we don't have these raw edges showing. So my needle is still at the back. This time I'm just going to bring it back to the outside and just hem this side and this side. So our turban at this point is completely done. Our bow is added, our sides are clean, and our back is also clean. We don't have any raw edges showing, and that's it, you guys. If you are doing this for personal use and you don't want to go through all the mess of hemming, you just want to connect this part, bring it back, join it, and that's it. You don't need to do all this cleaning up because it's for personal use. But if you are going to be selling somebody this product, you want to make sure it's as professional and neat as possible. So this is it for this turban. I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys for watching, and bye bye.